What's up guys? Justin from GadgetGetters here. Now a lot of you have this Amazon Puck. The only downside about it is that it has no display to show things like your time or your weather. Today I'm going to show you a new product that Amazon added to the lineup. This is the all-new 2024 Echo Spot. If you've never owned this product, that's okay, because I'm here to walk you through the setup and show you some settings that you'll like. But first, we got to get it out of the box. But just a little disclaimer, I'm located in the US, so some of these features might not be available in other regions. Here's everything that comes in the box. You have your setup guide, along with the power cord. And this, the 2024 Amazon Echo Spot. Now I'm using the ocean blue, but it's also available in black and glacier white to match your decor. Taking a closer look at the Echo Spot, it's got a smooth plastic feel all around, with a rubber bottom to keep the spot in place. On top, you're going to find your 3 microphones, the volume up and down, and your mute mic button in the middle. On the front, there's your 2.8-inch touchscreen display, and below that is your 1.73-inch driver. And if you turn it around, you're going to see a slot for your power cord. Now that we took a closer look at the design, let me show you just how easy it is to set up.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup.
The first thing you need to do is scan the barcode. And this is going to start the process to connect the device to the application. But make sure you have your Bluetooth turned on. Next, we're going to click on Echo. And as you can see, there is an orange line on the display. So now that it found the Echo Show, let's go ahead and press on it. It's automatically adding my Wi-Fi because I was previously logged in to another device. You can add your address for local weather, traffic, and more. But for now, we're just going to skip it. Next, choose the location of the Echo Spot. In my case, I'm going to use Studio. It comes with 6 clock displays. You can choose whatever you like. And this is a cool feature. If you set it up as an alarm clock, you can tap the top of it to snooze. And just like that, you are all set up. Now let's have a little bit of fun. The Echo Spot has voice commands, so let's ask it some questions and see how it replies. What's the weather like today?
The current weather is 77 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly sunny skies.
When do the 49ers play next?
The San Francisco 49ers will play the Minnesota Vikings on the road on Sunday, September 15th at 10 a.m.
How tall is Shaquille O'Neal?
Shaquille O'Neal is 7 feet 1 inch tall and weighs 325 pounds.
That's just some of the few questions that you can ask it. In the Alexa skills part of the application, there's a bunch of options of questions that you can ask Alexa. All you gotta do is just download it so it syncs with the device. Then, all you have to do is ask it, and now it has the skill to answer that question. You can also do that if you want to listen to music. You can request Alexa to play a song, an album, or whatever you like. All you have to do is just go in the app and sync the command, but you have to sign into your account to whatever streaming service you selected. Speaking of music, I did mention that the Echo Spot has a 1.73-inch driver below the screen. I've connected my phone to the Echo Spot to play some music so you can see what it sounds like. Here, take a listen. In my opinion, for how small the speaker is, it has a good full range of sound. It's great for listening to your podcasts or turning on some background music. It's even loud enough to wake you up in the morning. And with the Echo alarm clock, all you have to do is just tap the top of the device to snooze. And that's one of the cool features that the Echo Spot has. It also has some great customizable settings so you can personalize your device. Let me take you through some of them. At the top, it gives you the option to rename your device. In the audio settings, you can change the bass, mid-range, and the treble, so you can adjust the sound the way that you like. But mind you, this is a smaller speaker. Here you could change the display and the brightness. You can adjust it manually, or you could turn on adaptive brightness, so it'll adjust to the lighting in your room. You can customize the clock and how it looks by selecting clock face. It gives you 6 different options. You can also switch between the regular time or the 24-hour clock by hitting clock format. And if you want to change the color of the clock, hit color theme, and that'll give you 6 different color options to choose from. You could also set the device to do not disturb, so you don't have to hear sounds whenever you get a call or get notifications. If you want to say a different word to wake your device, you can change the wake word and switch between Alexa, Amazon, computer, Echo, or Ziggy. You can change the speaking rate, whether you want your Alexa to speak slower or faster, and you can also choose between different accents. Overall, I think this would make for a great multitasking device, especially if you like a clock with an alarm. It's got many of your mainstream music services that it's compatible with. It's also good if you want to set notes and reminders and stuff like that, and it's also compatible with your smart home devices. You can also integrate your calendars, so overall, it can help you organize your life a little bit. And with all the skills that it comes with, it feels like you can ask it whatever you want. If you want to learn more about the new 2024 Echo Spot, I'll leave all the links in the description below. I'm Justin, this is Gadget Getters. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.